Viral at pinag-uusapan nga ngayon sa social media ang naging revelasyon ng tita or manager ni Jed Madera ng 23 years. Yes, si Annie Mercado. Aniya, I hate it that I have to cover for him all the time, including how he called ASAP people monkeys. My apologies to ASAP people. I hope they read this. Sa 23 years, sobrang kilalang kilala na nga nitong si Annie Mercado, ang kanyang pamangkin at minamanage na career na si Jed Madera. For sure, may mga ups and downs talaga silang pinagdaanan. Pero hindi nga daw niya ina-expect na aabot sa ganito itong si Jed. Na tipong ang sama ng loob or yung kanilang rip to each other ay dadaanin ito sa isang kanta. May pamagat na I wish you the worst. Tapos ngang mag-viral, ang nasabi nga pong pahayag na ito ng tita manager nitong si Jed Madera ay atin ngang hinanap ang nasabi nga pong kanta sa YouTube at nakita natin ang lyrics nito. Narito po at ibahagi natin sa inyo kung ano nga ba ang sinasabi ng kanta ni Jed. Nasabi ngang umpisa ng lyrics nitong si Jed Madera. Mababasa ang Isn't it obvious? You know that I'm doing great. Don't dare say the same. I heard you've been crumbling. I gotta be honest, yeah, I kinda expected that you still be the same like how I left you. You got these Bible verses on your profile. You want it all but you won't pay the price. You make these stories up. You ruin the vibe. No chance, no thank you. I'm not falling for your lies. Hope I don't see you again. I wish you the worst. Yeah, I wish you the worst. I wish you the worst. I'm glad that this is the end. I wish you the worst. Yeah, I wish you the worst. Mula naman sa second stanza o pangalawang lyrics ng kanta, ayon kay Jed, I used to cry so much about ya. Now life is so much better without. If only I knew what I know right, then I wouldn't ever gotten around ya. You spent my money on things that made you look so basic. So basic, yeah. Course, sa last part ng nasabing song, sinabi niya dito na you'll see me whenever you're going, hear my name everywhere, and I won't remember your snow, thinking about me every night while I'll be living the life. Too bad you're lost, no, not mine. Nga ng tita manager ni Jed na ang kantang ito is not about relationship, kundi mas malalim pa doon at ito nga ay sila ang pinatutukuyan. Kaya naman hindi na nga raw siya nanahimik. At kung pagpapatuloy ni Jed ito ay marami pa siyang magiging revelasyon maliban doon sa sinabi niya sa pagtawag ni Jed na mga monkey peoples ang mga tao sa ASAP. Which is, dahil nga sa kanta na yan, tinignan natin kung ano ang magiging reaksyon ng mga netizen. Narito po ang kanilang naging say. Nga sa say ng mga netizen sa kantang I wish you the worst, nakaka-bad vibes. This kind of crap should not be played on air. Considering that the world we are living is already infested with negativities. A good song should be something that is inspiring, enlightening, and uplifting. Use your voice to inspire, not to promote dark vibes. Sino man ang isa? Well said. Maybe much better kung I wish you well ang isinulat niya. Diyan nagtatapos ang naging reaksyon ng mga netizen. Anila, ang pangit ng song. Makakadala ng bad vibes sa mga tao na nakikinig. Para kasing nagko-curse ka, Jed. Correct. Full of negativity. Say naman ng isang netizen, so much hate and bitterness in this song. Why, Jed? Yan pa ang tanong niya sa nasabing singer. Ang ganda ng beat, pero tagos to the bones yung lyrics. Ang lutong. Sana magkaayos din sila ng manager niya. Ang ganda ng song, anyway. Isang netizen, I'm a fan but this song is stupid, Jed. It will come back to you wishing worse to somebody. Kapangit ng kanta pati beat. Narito pa ang naging opinyon ng ilang mga netizen. Sabi ng isa, too bad we don't wish someone to get worse. God is in control. If you have been hurt or get scammed, let the God do the justice for you. We don't curse people to suffer. This is not a good song to hear by the teens. Negative song. Bad Jed. Makakarma ka niyan. Retract the song, heal within your space, and just spread love. I don't care the quarrel about them. I was just curious, but what a bad song. Terrible lyrics, ha ha ha, terrible music. Last but not the least comment, say nila, ang nega naman ng song. Poor choice of words as lyrics, knowing Jed as a singer that would really touch your heart and soul, then here's this cheap type of song. Parang gawang bahala na basta sana makarma ka, Childish Revenge, can't vibe this song though. Kung I Wish You the Worst ang title ng kanta ni Jed, siyempre, we wish that will they fix things, especially na sila po ay malapit na magkamag-anak. Hindi lang malapit dahil talagang sila po ay magtita sa dugo. Dahil ang manager po na si Miss Annie Mercado ay kapatid ng ama ni Jed Madela. At yan po ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now. Please like, share, and subscribe.